Hello friends, let's see how to make Chinese-style chili chicken. Take 300 grams of boneless chicken, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add salt as per your requirements, then add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, add 1 egg, if you don't like egg you can also add yogurt. It helps to tenderize the chicken and keep it juicy and tender. And add 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. It basically makes the chicken marination stick together. Finally add 1 teaspoon of oil, and mix well. If you want, you can add food coloring to the marination. Now mix well and set aside for 30 minutes before deep frying it. Heat oil in a deep pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the coated chicken pieces and deep fry them until golden brown and crispy. Now remove the chicken and set aside on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Take another pan, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and fry nicely until the raw smell goes. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger, 3 red chili, 3 green chili, and saute it. Now add 1 onion, and half capsicum as cubes, and saute for another 2 minutes. Add salt as per your requirements, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar, and saute for 3 minutes. Add little water, half teaspoon of sugar, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, it will help thicken the sauce consistency. Add the fried chicken pieces to the pan, and toss it, so that the chicken is nicely coated. Finally, cook for another 2 minutes. Now the Chinese-style chili chicken is ready to be served.